Explain. The doctor explains the report. Feed. She feeds the dog every day. Fold. Fold your clothes neatly. Flee. The man flees in fear. Forgive. He forgives her every time. Wrap. Please wrap the gift neatly. Greet. They greet each other. Wear. She wears a beautiful dress. Listen. He listens to music every day. Swing. The kids love to swing at the park. Forget. He forgot where he put the key. Walk. He walks to work every morning. Guard. He guards the building at night. Wink. The girl winks at her friend. Hire. The company hires new employees. Wipe. She wipes the table every day. Wash. He washes his hands before eating. Wait. He waits at the station for the train. Protect. He protects his friend from danger. Protest. They protest against unfair laws. Punch. The boxer throws a strong punch. Climb. He climbs the tree. Repair. He repairs the broken laptop. Fish. He loves to fish by the lake. Fear. He fears spiders.